What makes some children grow into confident, independent thinkers while others struggle? It's not intelligence, it's not luck, it's the way they think. Some kids take initiative, solve problems, and tackle challenges head on. Others hesitate, wait for instructions, and second guess themselves. The difference, an entrepreneurial mindset. And no, this isn't just for kids who want to start businesses. This mindset is the key to thriving in any career, whether they become doctors, engineers, artists, or leaders, doesn't matter. Today, we are going to uncover how you can shift your child's thinking so they can lead, adapt, and thrive in the world ahead. Do you ever worry if your child will be ready for the future? Let me know in the comments. Namaste, I'm Preeti Durga, a career coach, educator, and co-founder of Next Moves. Her week parents ask me, what makes some children grow into leaders while others always wait for instructions? It's a valid question. सोचने की बात है, the most successful people today aren't those who scored well in school. They are the ones who can adapt, take initiative, solve problems, and lead, no matter what career path they choose. Now, this isn't something kids are just born with. It's something that can be nurtured at home, and you can learn how today. So, in this episode, I'm going to share the 5 essential entrepreneurial mindsets that will set your child up for a long-term success. By the end, you will have simple, practical steps to help your child become a confident, independent thinker, no matter what the future holds. Stick with me till the end because I have a special free resource to make this even easier for you. Let me tell you about a mom I worked with recently. Her name is Shamla. She was worried about her son, Krishna. Krishna was bright, did well in school, and had all the potential in the world. But her bar he faced a challenge, whether it was a tough school project or an unexpected problem, he would freeze. He would stare at the problem, unsure of what to do next. And most of the time, he'd either give up or wait for someone else to solve it for him. Shamla told me this when she met, saying, I just want him to be ready for the real world. What she didn't realize was that Krishna didn't need more knowledge. He needed a different way of thinking. That's what an entrepreneurial mindset is all about. It's what separates kids who struggle with uncertainty from those who take charge and figure out things. और पता है, these skills can be developed with little conscious and consistent effort. You can start nurturing them today, आपके अपने घर से. We live in a world where change is the most constant. Think about it. 10 years ago, careers like AI engineering, content creators, and digital marketers were barely a thing. And in another decade, there will be jobs we can't even imagine yet. Now, here's the real concern. पता है, a UNICEF study found that most young people across 92 countries aren't even on a track to develop the skills they need for employment. That's a massive gap. Research by OECD also revealed that adults with strong problem-solving skills are more likely to have stable jobs and higher incomes. This shows that kids who struggle with problem-solving and adaptability find it much harder to navigate the job market. And it's not just a minor setback. ये उनकी financial security को भी impact कर सकता है. So, these skills aren't just nice to have, they are a game changer for future success. And this isn't just about jobs. Kids who grow up without an entrepreneurial mindset often struggle to make decisions, feel lost in their careers, and lack the confidence to take risks or seize opportunities. Remember Krishna? His hesitation wasn't just about schoolwork. It was shaping how he'd handle challenges in his future career. And that's why this matters now for every child. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे, am I unknowingly doing this too? Am I focusing more on my child's grades than their ability to solve problems independently? बहुत सारे parents face this, and the truth is, changing this doesn't mean there is a need for a complete change of your parenting style. That's exactly why I have created the Rising Future Leaders Checklist. ये सिर्फ एक चेकलिस्ट नहीं है, it's your roadmap to spotting where your child already shines, where they need more guidance, and how you can start building these critical life skills today, one simple step at a time. Parenting is hard enough as it is, but helping your child build real world thinking skills shouldn't feel overwhelming. In fact, with small everyday actions, you can begin strengthening their confidence, problem solving, and adaptability without waiting for the right moment. Stick around because by the end of this video, I'll show you exactly how you can download it for free and how to use it to make sure your child is ready for whatever the future holds. Do you agree? पहले समझना जरूरी है what's really causing this hesitation in children. Why are so many children growing up without the confidence to solve problems independently? And this isn't just Krishna's story. It's happening in many homes and classrooms today. Parents, without realizing it, often step in too soon. Of course, as parents, हम अपने बच्चों को protect करना चाहते हैं, from struggling. But in the process, we take away their chance to develop problem-solving skills. If a child forgets their school supplies, we rush to get them. If homework feels tough, we give them the answer. If they hesitate to make a decision, we decide for them. Over time, they receive the message, I don't have to solve problems, someone else will do it for me. Schools also don't always teach problem solving either. Students are often rewarded for speed and memorization rather than deep thinking and perseverance. They get fewer opportunities to prepare for real world challenges. अब सोचिए, if this pattern continues, what happens when they grow up? Will they take initiatives or always wait for instructions? Will they have the courage to take risks or step back out of the fear of failure? When faced with an unexpected challenge, will they freeze just like Krishna? This is why developing an entrepreneurial mindset is essential. It's not about running a business. It's about thinking critically, solving problems, and adapting to change. And the best part, we can start improving this today. Let's learn about the 5 entrepreneurial mindsets that will help your child take initiatives, make decisions, and think independently. It's not just about forcing them to do everything on their own. That's not the point. It's about changing the way they think, how they approach challenges, and how they view mistakes. That's where these 5 entrepreneurial mindsets come in. Or nahi, this isn't about turning every child into an entrepreneur or a business owner. It's about preparing them to lead, adapt, and thrive in any career they choose. Pehla mindset is the growth mindset. Helping kids see challenges as opportunities, not roadblocks. कभी सुना है बच्चों को कहते हुए I cannot do this? Now imagine if they added just one word, I can't do this yet. That small shift changes everything. Instead of jumping into, fix their struggles, ask them, what's another way you could try? Celebrate their effort, not just the outcome. The second mindset is problem solving and resourcefulness. Learning to find solutions instead of giving up. कुछ बच्चे hit a roadblock and stop, while others found a way around it. इनमें difference? Just their problem solving skills. The next time your child asks for help, थोड़ा रुक जाओ. Resist the urge in you to give them an immediate answer. As adults, हमें बहुत जल्दी होती है. Instead, ask, what do you think we should do? Encourage them to solve real world problems like planning a weekend activity with a budget. Then comes initiatives and ownership. क्योंकि successful people don't wait for instructions, they take actions. They take charge of a situation. If your child always waits to be told what to do, shift that dynamic. कोशिश करो they own a task, maybe taking care of a plant or planning a family dinner or planning a shopping trip. If they forget to, or make a mistake, don't fix it for them. Have patience and let them take another chance. Ask, How will you make sure this gets done the next time? What do you think probably went wrong? This isn't just about responsibility, it's about building self-belief. The fourth mindset is financial awareness and decision making. क्योंकि पैसा सिर्फ मैथ्स का टॉपिक नहीं है, it's a life skill. The next time you're on a family trip, give your child a budget and let them choose between the activities to be done or mode of travel, etc. Right? Let them experience decision making and trade-offs. Over time, they will start understanding value, saving, and making smart, financial choices, skills that will serve them for a lifetime. And finally, resilience and adaptability. Teaching kids to bounce back instead of breaking down when things don't go their way. Life doesn't always follow a perfect plan. You and I know it. And kids need to understand that now. If they lose a game, forget their homework, or don't get selected for something, let them feel the disappointment. Share stories of people who turned failures into comebacks. Teach them that perseverance, not just talent, is what leads to success. At the end of the day, success isn't always about having the right answers. It's about knowing how to figure things out. These 5 mindsets can help your child build that skill every single day. Close your eyes for a moment and just picture your child. 10 years from now, they are stepping into their first big opportunity. Maybe a job interview, launching a startup, or leading a project. But instead of hesitation, they walk in with confidence. They are adaptable, resourceful, and ready to take on challenges because they have learned how to think, not just what to think. Now rewind to today. Just see where you are today. Every small moment, encouraging them to solve a problem, make a decision, or bounce back from failures is shaping that future. When they struggle with a tough math problem or a tricky decision, your response matters. Do you step in or do you guide them to figure it out? Success isn't about memorizing facts, it's about mindset. The ability to take initiatives, make thoughtful choices, and see challenges as opportunities is built in the everyday moment. So the question is, what small step will you take today? Maybe it's letting them manage a budget, take ownership of a task, or find a solution instead of giving them the answer. Each small step leads to that future you just imagined, and it all starts now. You just pictured your child's future, confident, thriving, and ready for anything. Now let's take real steps to make that happen. Grab your free checklist, the Rising Future Leaders Checklist. It is designed to help your child develop the right mindset for success with simple, actionable steps. You can start using it today. Getting it is easy. Just follow the steps on the screen. And now let's talk. What's one mindset your child already excels at? Maybe they are great at problem solving, adapting to new situations, or thinking outside the box. Comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear from you. Need a little extra guidance? Join our Career Compass Masterclass for expert insights on setting your child up for success. Link is in the description, or just send us a message. We are here to help. Their future starts with the choices you make today. Okay, so let's do it together. Every small step you take today is shaping your child's future. So why just prepare them to fit into a career when we can help them thrive in one that they can truly love? Give them the mindset to think, adapt, and lead, because real success isn't just about getting a job. It's about building a life they are excited to wake up to. And with that, let's close with our signature CCC affirmation. Say it with me. I craft careers that don't just fit but fulfill. Let's say it one more time with conviction. I craft careers that don't just fit but fulfill. I'm Preeti Durga, And this is Career Crafting Conversations, where we don't just talk about careers, we craft them. Until next time, keep guiding, keep growing, and keep believing in the bright future of your child.